Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Object-oriented programming has become a mainstay of modern software development. In this video, we are going to look at some of the basic concepts of object-oriented programming, or OOP. Let's go ahead and get started. Object-oriented programming, OOP, focuses on organizing software design around objects. Key concepts include classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. OOP promotes reusable code and helps build modular, maintainable, and scalable systems. Object-oriented programming, OOP, simplifies complex software projects by breaking them into manageable objects. It is foundational in languages like Java, Python, C#, and C++. OOP structures code to mirror real-world entities, enhancing understanding, extension, and debugging. A class is a blueprint for creating objects, providing initial values and behavior. An object is an instance of a class, like sedan and SUV are instances of the car class. Encapsulation involves bundling data and methods into a single unit, restricting access to some components. This helps in data hiding and protecting the object state from unintended or harmful changes. Inheritance allows a subclass to inherit attributes and behaviors from a superclass, promoting code reuse. It establishes a parent-child relationship between classes. For example, a vehicle class can be a base class for car and truck, sharing characteristics like wheels and adding specific behaviors. Polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class, simplifying code and enhancing flexibility. For example, a single interface can calculate the area of different shapes, with specific behavior determined at runtime. Abstraction hides complex implementation details and exposes only essential features. It reduces complexity by focusing on what an object does, ignoring how it achieves its behavior. In summary, object-oriented programming, OOP, organizes code into classes and objects, making it modular and maintainable. Key concepts include encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. OOP models complex systems naturally, enabling robust and scalable applications. It's widely adopted in modern software development, improving code quality and flexibility. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again and I'll see you in another video soon. Goodbye for now.